An uncompleted building, which was meant to accommodate cholera patients when the epidemic broke out in 2014, has been converted to an isolation center for patients of COVID-19. The 20-bed facility, completed by the Polyclinic Municipal Assembly and located within the premises of Adabraka Polyclinic, was commissioned by the Greater Accra Regional Minister, Ishmael Ashite. The Regional Minister urged the Assembly within his jurisdiction to emulate the deed of the Polyclinic Municipality to strengthen the fight against the coronavirus pandemic.
Every assembly should be trying to do something for the public. Sometimes it's not about an isolation center. It can be something else. But you see, when people are dedicated and they know what to do, they do it, and they do it very fast, and they do it very well. I'm only impressed about the time it took them to finish this project. And I will encourage all assemblies to take cue from here, so that when projects are to be taken, they do them as early as they can without wastage of time.
Most frontline workers of the coronavirus pandemic have over the weeks lamented the inadequate provision of personal protective equipment. So, what is the assurance of safety for those at the Adabraka Polyclinic?
I promise to get the MC maybe next week and get him to get the PPEs for the hospital. I will do that.
Speaking on the mandatory wearing of masks in the Greater Accra region, Ishmael Ashite says he has directed Assembly to distribute free face masks to the vulnerable in the society.
I will therefore call on everybody who is living in the region, or those who are coming into the region, to make sure that wherever they come into public like this, they should put on a nose mask. That is able to contain major part of the spread of the virus. So everybody should do his or her best to put on a mask. If you don't have it, when you come at the source, we have other assemblies to send masks to people who cannot afford. So if, like the hospital, they're supposed to bring some here, the hospital will give you one you can use. But if you can afford a mask, please do good to get one. It is.
The Polyclinic Municipal Assembly has commissioned a 20-bed isolation facility here at the Adabraka Polyclinic in a bid to support the Ghana Health Service to curtail the spread of the coronavirus. Reporting for Citi News, I am Na Adole Mofat.